How to travel with testosterone. Coming up. And if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe so you can learn more about fitness and nutrition, hormones and anti-aging, all this to optimize your life overall. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Two more practical things. First, how do I store my testosterone? In the fridge or at room temperature?
Room temperature is fine.
Okay.
I don't even think. I wonder if maybe there's certain types of oils that may have to be refrigerated. Not that I've ever heard. This one here says between 15 and 30 degrees. I literally have all my syringes, the alcohol, the swabs, the oil, everything is in a drawer in my bathroom. So I wake up, I take my shower, I shave, I do whatever. I open up my drawer, pull out my stuff, give myself my shot, 60 seconds, and I'm done. Everything goes back in the drawer and I'm finished. And I've been doing that for years now, and I've never had any issue.
Okay. And how do I travel with TRT and all the materials needed? I can imagine that can give some problems traveling to airports with needles and so on.
Yeah, it doesn't, surprisingly. I've taken trips by plane where I had, my vial. I had alcohol, I had pads, I had all my syringes, I had everything. I had them in a little pouch. So I have a little pouch that I got them at the pharmacy that the needle is not really going to be able to pierce through. But if I show them that it's a prescription, I have my name on it. It's prescribed by a doctor. This is medicine. I need this. Usually it's not an issue. I've taken it as carry-on. I've taken it as in my checked luggage. I chose to take it on my carry-on because should they have decided they wanted to investigate what was in there, at least I can answer and say, I have a prescription for that. It's like when somebody has a prescription for insulin, everything is in a pouch, it's safe, it's not going to go anywhere near anybody. I have a reason to have this. If I would have it in my checked luggage, if they decided one day they want to just go through my checked luggage, oh, what the hell is this? They throw it out. I arrive on my destination only to find that my damn testosterone's missing. But yeah, I've never had issues. I've gone on the plane both with the vial and all the syringes in a pouch. I've gone on a plane with all of the syringes preloaded. But yeah, the best thing to do is, again, if you have a doctor's prescription, keep the vial with you, and you can just show, I have a prescription for this. I need this. If you get rid of this right now, halfway through my trip, I'm going to start to feel very, very sick.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever it is, it's never really an issue. Guys, people are injecting themselves. People that have diabetes. The security people will know that there's medication and there's syringes. I mean, if you got a damn spoon and a rubber rubber hose for your arm, they might say, this doesn't look like medicine to me, even though many of you might argue about that. But yeah, keep your prescription with you. That should usually keep you from having any issues.
Okay, thanks for the advice.